Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. My name is Kendra Mickey of Kendra and the Bunnies Music and the Politics of Kendra podcast. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Bunny family. We're so happy you're here. If you get a chance, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit the ding bell notification so you always get a notification when I go live, post new videos, or have some sort of content that I'm sharing. Every 2 weeks, I post a new podcast video. I go live quite often, normally once or twice a week as a musician, and I always have cool videos like unboxings and stuff like that happening right here on my Kendra and the Bunnies channel. Today, I'm so excited to partner with this awesome brand titled Hooked on Glam. I'm hooked on glam. I know you're hooked on glam. There's a reason you're here, and let's not beat around the bush. Let's get right into it. We care about our lashes. We care about our brows. We care about our hair. We care about our health. So that's why we turn to products just like this, based in Australia. Thank you so much for sending me this gift. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, chemical-free, vegan. Proudly Australian owned. Now, I absolutely love the ingredients in our first product that we're about to dive into. So here we go with the Lash and Brow Serum presented by Hooked on Glam. You can find all the linked resources below on how to purchase yourself one of these items. Also, to join the giveaway, which I'll talk about in just a second. So we've got this Glam Lash Eyelash Brow Serum. As you can see in the next clip, I've been using this for about a week, and here are some awesome results. My lashes are longer, they are more pronounced, I have more lashes across the eyelid. That means I have more lashes growing in, and also with this length, it's been really great for my mascara because it's going on easily and allowing for there to be no clumps. You say you wanna settle down, you got nowhere to go, it's been a long time running. You say no good to be tired. Here we go, Hooked on Glam Lashes. The ingredients in this are really awesome as well. We've got grapeseed extract, which is going to give you omega-3s. It's going to have some fatty acids in there and oils. It's going to help moisturize, lengthen, and hydrate the lashes. Then we have biopeptides. Biopeptides are a part of the components that create protein. For hair care, protein is really great, and it's really crucial when you're trying to rebuild, restructure, and re-solidify the hair follicle and the hair strand. For instance, right now I've been using a protein conditioner on my hair because I want to restructure that hair follicle and have the hair shaft all stick back together. So that's kind of what we're doing in here with the peptides. We're restructuring those lashes. Not only do they want to grow on our face, they also want to stay there for a certain period of time. Even though we all like making wishes, we still like to keep our lashes where they are, which is on our eyelids. Next, we have vitamin E. Vitamin E is really great for the skin and really great for health. It provides a way to moisturize, lengthen, and hydrate the lashes as well as the skin. You can use it directly on your skin. Next, we have ginseng. Ginseng root is really great. Sometimes I take it over the counter as a vitamin supplement for energy, mood stability, and some people take it for libido. And the reason people take it for the libido is it increases blood circulation. So when you have blood circulation that is concentrated in a certain area, it encourages more cell turnover, which is going to encourage more hair growth because there's more blood flow to that area. So we've got ginger root. Oh, that was ginseng. Ginger also does the same thing. We've got ginger root in there, walnut oil, which is going to be an oil-based fatty acids, omega-3s. Then we also have parsley. Parsley helps with hair growth, with blood circulation as well as it's a green leafy vegetable, so it's going to be packed with nutrients and really good for whatever use we are using it for. Mustard seed is also going to help with the circulation. I keep wanting to say circulation. Mustard seed is also going to help with circulation of the blood. Radix DNA. So I looked that up. Radix DNA is something that seems very scientific. There were a few trials that were done on a similar component in mice that cause it. Well, I might not be a mouse, but I've got a couple mice in the house. I've got a couple mouses in the houses, and radix is really good for growing hair, scientifically proven. Chamomile. Chamomile is also in this product. I feel like the chamomile is placed in here because it helps neutralize and calm down the skin and calm down the area of the skin that it's utilized on. So with all of these things like ginger, ginseng, yada yada, I think that the chamomile is added on there to kind of help neutralize and chill and relax the skin. This is also going to help with sensitivity. Then we have more peptides, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B3. Get a round of applause, please, for our giveaway. I'm going to be doing this giveaway in conjunction with my next upcoming single. So the next single that I have being released is all about self-love. I'm going to be releasing it on February 12th. My 28th birthday is on February 11th, and if you're in your late 20s, or if you've passed your late 20s, you know what that feeling is. You're like, I'm 25, I'm 26, I'm 27, oh my goodness gracious, I'm 28, I'm getting up there. Hey now, it's all good in the hood because we've got integrity of character, self-confidence, self-love, but we also have awesome products that help with our skincare. So I'd argue that I look like a 25-year-old who got a decent night's sleep. So to join the giveaway, it's super simple. All you have to do is comment on this video below. Go ahead and tell me what your favorite part of your nighttime skincare routine is. And if you are selected, winners will be announced on February 10th. If you are selected, I'll go ahead and comment back to you or comment back on your social media wherever you join the giveaway. So the ways that you can join are by commenting on this YouTube video or heading on over to my Instagram at KenBunny, KenBunny, and commenting on my most recent photo and saying, hey, I'm joining the giveaway. I will then message you or comment back and let you know that I've received your entry. Bonus entries are totally cool. Include as many entries as you'd like to do. So the product that we're giving away is the Eyelash Brow Perm Kit. This is freaking awesome because it's going to help curl your lashes and have your lashes stay curled. The things that are included in here are super, super swell. Hello, gorgeous. Firstly, congratulations and welcome to the Glam Squad. So this is a 10-minute eyelash brow set kit that has multiple uses. You can use it plenty of times. It comes with these eyelash setters, eyelash mascara wands. Then it's going to have under the eye protective gear for when you're actually perming your lashes. It's going to come with an eyelash brush. And then all the steps that you'll need to actually perm the lashes. So you've got the perm serum or the perm solution. Then you've got the fixation solution. Nutrition solution, this has collagen in it. And the cleanser, which is going to be great for making sure your lashes are ready to be permed. Comes with the tools that you'll need, including lifting tools and silicone pads to help you place the lashes in the right place as you put the perming solution on. And it's super simple. Let me read you some of the directions on the back. So you will use the cleaning liquid to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. Then you'll apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the perming lotion. Put glue on the eye pads. Then place it on the upper part of the eyelid and make sure it stays. Apply the glue on the eyelash to keep it stuck to the lift pads for 1 minute. Use the perm lotion number 1 on the eyelash, then cover your eyes with a plastic paper wrapper to dry. Using the fixing lotion number 2 on the eyelash, then use the number 2 lotion on your eyelash and then cover your eyes with plastic paper wrapper to dry 5 to 8 minutes. Remove the lift pads from the upper part of your eyelid, then use the coating lotion number 3 to help hydrate, strengthen for eyelash regrowth. Use the cleanser solution to clean off the perm residue. Fantastic, so this is all included in this kit. Go ahead and comment below to join the giveaway. I'm so excited to partner with Hooked on Glam for this awesome opportunity to get all glammed and gussied up. Thanks y'all for tuning in to another unboxing episode. My name is Kendra Mickey from Kendra and the Bunnies Music. I've got a ton of music out there. Go check me out on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, wherever you stream. Just type in Kendra and the Bunnies. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram or join this most recent giveaway, go ahead on over to Ken Bunny at Ken Bunny, KenBunny. And of course, I've got new podcast episodes every 2 weeks on Saturdays, debuting right here on YouTube, as well as on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Anchor. Thanks, y'all. Thanks, Hooked on Glam. Stay hooked on bunnies. Peace.